So we are in Goa, and the day two of Technology Senate has been full of conversation, engagements, and a lot of thought leaders have, given their best practices and share their learning and experience with us at the Technology Senate. Joining me is Mr. Kiran, and he's going to speak about his experience and learning so far as part of the Technology Senate. So first of all, thank you and welcome to the Technology Senate in Goa. So, Kiran sir, the theme of this, 25th edition of the Technology Senate is the reimagining the future with technology. So, tell us about how you, as your organization is looking at technology, and also give us your experience. You have gathered or you have cherished here as part of the Technology Senate.
Sure, thank you very much for having me over here on the Tech Summit 2023. So, it was really a very great experience in terms of reimagining the future of technology, understanding a lot of the relevant technologies, how is it shaping up, and how is it going to really shape up the BFSI industry as well. So, being Aegon Life, digital only life insurance company, we largely been very heavy on the technology side of it, and that's where it's become far more important to be staying ahead of from a technology curve perspective. So yeah, I think it was a great experience, and we have been catching up with a lot of collaborations, a lot of analytics, various other partners in terms of technology space, and we look forward to partner with them, collaborate with them, learn from them, and get some learnings executed out in the company.
Right. So also, Kiran sir, insurance, they. I mean, we have seen the kind of a transformation of the insurance sector with respect to the technology and the digital piece. There were some, kind of areas where it was completely manual, but now they all are being digitized. I mean, be the WhatsApp channel or the, the mobile or, I mean, whatnot. I mean, so today I think the insurance is pervasive. It's at all the channels. So, how you really see going forward, how this trend or the future of the insurance industry, how promising do you really see with respect to the technology and digital both?
So thanks to the e-wallets and e-commerce space, I think all are expecting the services to be on the similar lines of the delivery perspective, just on couple of clicks, 2 clicks, 3 clicks, and they want the journey to be completed. Yes, on the similar lines is what Aegon Life has also been, and hence we call digital only or India's only digital only life insurance company. That's where we have been working and quite separate around the rest of the competition's perspective. So yes, we have been building up, and we have been largely working on the data-driven underwriting. So where we are talking about zero documentations, zero operations, zero ops perspective. So that's where we are leveraging those upper hands in terms of our competition perspective, where is zero docs and zero documentation and digital-driven underwriting. So that's the space which we are looking at, and we are trying to meet across the consumers which are underserved for that matter. So that's the market which we are also looking around, rather than everyone coping up around the same common market.
Right, right. And also, sir, the kind of innovation we have seen, the video KYC, though it's been there, but the how the digitization really increase or accelerate this whole thing. So what's some of the important technology or the the new age technology you think that going to really make a lot of difference, especially to the insurance sector?
I think the data ecosystem which India Tech is coming up with, that's really going to make a big, huge difference in the entire BFSI sector. While we talk about from a customer onboarding to a customer servicing perspective. So, customer onboarding, we have the data ecosystem from the government and the semi-government, which can really give us a very clear view about while onboarding the right customer at a time. And also with the generative AI or open AI technology, I think the servicing the customers, how making it more relevant conversations with them using bots, and which is a more matured, I think that is going to be helping us to drive more personalized services to the consumer as well.
Okay, great, sir. Thank you so much for sharing your, valuable inputs and insight onto the insurance industry. So, thank you so much once again.